The evening sun dipped slowly behind the quiet streets of an old town, casting long shadows on the walls of a modest home. Inside, a young girl sat by the window, her eyes lost in the pages of a book. That girl was Leela Chitnis, though at that moment, she was simply Leela, a dreamer with a mind full of stories. She wasn't like most girls of her time. While others were taught to stay within limits, Leela was encouraged to learn, to think, to question. Books became her closest companions, and education shaped her into a thoughtful, confident young woman. No one around her could have guessed that one day she would step into a world far removed from the quiet comfort of her home, the world of cinema. Life, however, rarely follows a straight path. Leela began her professional life as a teacher. It was a respectable role, stable and predictable. Yet somewhere deep inside, there was a voice that refused to stay silent. It called her towards something bigger, something uncertain, yet exciting. One evening, as she stood backstage in a small theater, her heart pounded like never before. The curtains were about to rise. The audience waited in silence. This was her first step into a new world. What if I fail? She whispered to herself. But another voice answered, calm and steady. What if you don't try? The curtains opened. And with that moment, everything changed. Her performance on stage was simple, yet powerful. People noticed. Applause filled the hall, and for the first time, Leela felt something she had never experienced before, a connection with strangers through emotion. It wasn't long before the growing film industry began to take notice. Studios like Bombay Talkies were searching for fresh talent, and Leela's natural acting style stood out in a time when exaggerated expressions were common. Her entry into films marked the beginning of a remarkable journey. The lights were brighter now, the sets grander, the audience larger. But Leela remained the same, calm, composed, and deeply connected to her characters. She didn't act for fame, she acted because she believed in stories. Film after film, her presence began to shine. Audiences saw in her something real. She wasn't just performing, she was living every role. Years passed, and as time changed, so did cinema. New faces appeared, new styles emerged, and the definition of a leading lady began to shift. Many actors struggled to keep up, but Leela chose a different path. Instead of holding on to the past, she embraced change. She stepped into roles of a mother, characters filled with strength, sacrifice, and unconditional love. It was a transition that not everyone could make, but for Leela, it felt natural. In one scene, she stood beside a young actor, her eyes filled with emotion as she blessed him. Life will test you, she said softly, but never forget who you are. The audience didn't just see a character, they saw their own mothers, their own struggles, their own lives reflected on screen. That was her gift. But behind the success, there were challenges. The film industry was not always kind, and personal struggles often remained hidden behind the spotlight. Yet Leela carried herself with quiet dignity. She never allowed hardship to define her. Instead, she continued to move forward, one role at a time. As the years went by, the lights of the film sets slowly dimmed. The noise of the industry faded into the background. Leela stepped away, choosing a quieter life away from the cameras that once followed her everywhere. But stories, once told, never truly end. In homes across the country, people still remembered her performances. Old films played on television screens, and with every scene, her presence came alive once again. A mother comforting her child. A woman facing life's hardships with courage. A character who felt real in every sense. Leela Chitnis was no longer just an actress, she had become a memory, a feeling, a part of cinema's soul. In 2003, she quietly left this world. There were no grand farewells, no dramatic endings. Just a life that had been lived with purpose, grace, and honesty. And somewhere, in the flicker of an old black and white film, her story continues. Because some stories don't fade with time. They simply become timeless.